Words on their heart that hurt her face one day. And they do it and then put it on the cake.
We're laughing because we're aiming our cameras at each other.
Oh.
Zoom, zoom.
Yeah, me too.
Seems like I just went to a birthday party.
Yeah, like 2 weeks ago.
That time you were here.
I'm repositioning.
Next weekend.
Alright, who's ready? Ready to sing, Amira? You will sing?
Ready?
Alright. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlie.
Happy birthday to you. Yeah!